So a renter brought back the RV and I noticed that the slide, when it was extending and retracting, was moving a little slower than normal. So upon further investigation, this is what I found. So it looks like the bolts holding the motor, slide motor, broke, as you can see right here. So one here, one there, and one there. So now the whole slide is basically tilted, or the whole slide motor is basically tilted down. So it makes it real sluggish. So there's no way to find out exactly when this damage happened. Looks like the housing just got weak at some point and broke. My suspicion is that some people were sitting on the slide when it was extending and retracting, maybe some kids or adults, and the extra weight put too much pressure on the actual motor housing and broke those mounting bolts. So today I'm going to replace that motor just so I can avoid any potential future issues with the slide completely breaking and not being able to retract at all. So today I'm going to replace that motor with one I found, and I'll put the link in the description. Luckily this one was only $150, so hopefully it works out good. Looks like it's going to be the same match, and we'll take a look and see how it looks after, how it functions after it's done. All right, so we got the motor installed. The slide out is working as good as new. And hopefully you got some value out of this video and it was helpful. If you have some questions or comments of what I did, leave those in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, I put a link in the description for the motor that I used as well. So as always, thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for supporting, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.